Akwande Africa nangaphesheya kwamalwandle. My name is Thando Mahlango. Welcome to episode 6 of learning how to speak IsiNdebele. Namkhana of learning the Ndebele words. Yes. I'll say it in IsiNdebele and in English. I'll say it in IsiNdebele slow and say it in English so that you get to know what is it that I mean. Okay, we'll start here. In IsiNdebele, when I say salani, this is what I mean. I mean stay well, stay behind. Salani, yes. Insalela, this is what I mean. I mean the leftovers. Insalela, it's the leftovers. Samela, I mean rest your head into a pillow. Yeah, rest your head into a pillow. Umsamelo, it's a pillow. Umsamelo, it's a pillow. Isamende, it's a cement. The one that they are using for building the houses, they mix it with the sand and stuff. It's a cement. Umsana, it's a boy. Umrazana, it's a girl. Isango, it's a marijuana. We smoke it. It's healing. It can heal you. So it's a medicine. You can drink it, you can boil it and drink it when you have a flu, and mix it with amasweetie holes, and put the other stuff inside, or you can boil it and drink it alone. It will make you better. Sibiza ngokuthi yisango. It's a daga in English. Yes. So okwanamhlanje for episode le sizoyibeka khona apha ke. Ungangithola ku YouTube @Thando Mahlango_, or you can just search Thando Mahlango. I'll appear. The podcast will appear. So now, before I close it, I just want to tell you about this important part of any black person or any black family. We have this call, that the place that we called umsamo. Umsamo, that's where you get to speak with your elders, the elders that they have passed on. That's where you get to ukubika konje yini ngesingisi, or to inform your ancestors, or that's where you get to sit and speak with your ancestors and tell them about the challenges that you are facing, and ask them to lead the way for you. Yebo. NgesiNdebele nangithi sabela. Someone, normally they are calling your name. Answer, I mean answer. Nangithi sabela, answer. Nangithi bayakubiza, they are calling you. Babize, I mean call them. Bayakubiza, they are calling you. You need to respond. Babize, call them. You understand, eh? Yeah, I know sometimes it's a bit tough, but you learn. That's why I'm saying these words in a slow pace. namkhana in a slow, yabona, so that you can understand what I'm saying, so that you can follow and get to learn. Next time I'll teach you how to write in IsiNdebele, because English already you know it, I assume. My name is Tando Mahlango. Cheers.